Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the Bangla font or the Bangladeshi font in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com, log into your account and hit the new project button. Now hit the create canvas and then what you need to do is go to the text. Enter any text. And then what you need to do is Google English to Bangla text. It will lead you to Google Translate. Go ahead and write whatever you want. And then copy this text and paste it over the box over here. And you can see the Bangla font clearly. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go ahead and add any text like this and then go to Google and search for English to Bangla text and then write whatever you want like this. You can see that you can copy it very easily. Go ahead and copy this in the box and your text will be turned into Bangla text. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.